children, how are you? Today I am starting your first chapter of class 12 bio reproduction. Okay, in reproduction, first of all you have to know about lifespan. Okay, lifespan means the period of an organism from birth to death. It means birth to death, जितनी भी आपके बीच में जितनी आपकी लाइफ होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर लाइफ स्पैन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मिनिमम लाइफ स्पैन इज ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई, दैट इज 1 to 2 week. Maximum life span is of a tortoise, which is almost 150 years. Lion almost 24-25 years. Okay, so from birth to death, the period is called life span. Okay, second is reproduction. Now the term reproduction is used. Reproduction means it is a very biological process in which an organism give rise to new organism. It means from the old organism new organism will be generate. That is called reproduction. Or second definition is the continuity of life. It means by which continuity of life is happen, that is called reproduction, which is a biological process. Okay, now the types of reproduction. Reproduction is of two types. First one is asexual reproduction and second one is sexual reproduction. First of all, we are studying here asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means in which the reproduction in which only one parent is required to generate new offspring. It means here only one parent is required. एक ही बॉडी से नई बॉडीज का फॉर्मेशन होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड asexual reproduction. In this reproduction there are no fusion of gametes happened. There are no requirement of gametes is present here. That is called asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction is of many types. Okay, first one is fission. Fission means when the parental body divide itself into two or many parts, and these new parts will generate into new bodies, that is called fission. Fission is also of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission means whether the parental body is divided into only two parts. Parental body is divided into only two parts, and these new two parts will generate into new body. For example, amoeba. Amoebal body is divided into two parts, and these two parts will form into new body. That is called binary fission. Second one is multiple fission. In multiple fission, one parental body divided into many parts. One parental body is divided into many parts, more than two parts, that is called multiple fission. For example, malarial parasite. Malarial parasite, Plasmodium vivax. Malarial parasite is Plasmodium vivax. In Plasmodium vivax, one body generate several merozoites, and these merozoites, when ruptured and when free, then these merozoites will convert into new bodies. Here one body will convert into many bodies, so this type of fission is called multiple fission. Okay, then fourth one is first one is fission, second one is budding. Okay, budding means when the parental body is generate a bird-like structure. When the parental body generate a bird-like structure, and this bird will convert into a fully developed body and separated from his parental body and convert into new organism. This is called budding type of asexual reproduction. For example, Hydra. In Hydra, there is a small bird-like structure in the parental body, and when this bird-like structure is convert into a fully formed body, then it will separate it from parental body and form a new free hydral body. This type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Okay. Fourth one is fragmentation. Fragmentation means when the body parts converts into fragments, different fragments, and this separated fragment will convert into a new fully formed body. For example, starfish. In a starfish, only one fragment can separate it from his parental body, and after separation the separated body will form into new starfish. This is called fragmentation type of asexual reproduction. Okay. Next one is zoospores. In zoospores, the asexual reproduction takes place by small oval shaped flagellated or non-flagellated body. These small oval shaped bodies are called zoospores. Okay, and these zoospores will convert into new fully developed body, that is called zoospores type of asexual reproduction, which takes place in algae and fungi. Okay, then the last sixth one is conidia. Okay, conidia. In conidia, there is a body which has cone-like structure. This is a parental body, and here is cone-like structure. Okay, this is called conidial chain. Okay, and after the maturation, these conidial chain will separate it into new small bodies and will convert into new fully formed bodies, which is called conidial type of asexual reproduction. Okay, so it's all for today. Okay, and sexual reproduction, about sexual reproduction I will upload video next day. Okay, so you have to write about these type. Okay, this is your homework about lifespan, reproduction, asexual reproduction, about all type of asexual reproduction with example and with diagram and with color. Okay.